Hi, this is Ajmeer Omar from Myanmar. I am a student of International Institute of Gemology IIG. I have completed my master in gemology from IIG. I learned a lot about gemology from my faculties Ms. Asmita ma'am and Avnish sir. They are knowledgeable and experienced gemologists. I am confident that the knowledge and skill I gained from IIG's master program will help me in my career. I am very satisfied IIG's master program. I would recommend IIG to anyone who is interested in learning about gemology. The courses are well designed and faculties are highly experienced. I would like to express my thanks to IIG and Chief Executive Officer of IIG, Mr. Rahul Desai sir, as well as my faculties. Thank you so much.